Elemental Magnesium Complex from Qivolux. It does come with a little dehydrator pack in there. They're a nice doable size, not too big, and they are coated in a nice capsule, so they're super easy to swallow. I was sent these to review, so let me go over a closer look at what is in them. This has 120 capsules with 2 capsules per serving, so basically a 2-month supply. Each serving has 45 milligrams of vitamin C, 25 milligrams of vitamin B1, 10 milligrams vitamin B2, 25 milligrams vitamin B6, 100 milligrams vitamin B12, and 500 milligrams of magnesium. A whole bunch of kinds of magnesium. We're talking glycinate, malate, citrate, gluconate, taurate, aspartate, chloride, and oxide. Instructions say to take 2 daily with a meal preferably, and it says these are designed to be gentle on the stomach and non-irritating. And I could say personally, I haven't had any issues with discomfort or anything. If you're looking for a magnesium complex, you might want to talk to your healthcare provider about this one.